Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm back to make a review of another Pentel side effects mechanical pencil. This is the black barrel one, and it's also 0.5 millimeter. So, let me just show you the features of this pencil. It does have a tip. It does have a hexagon shaped grip. It does have a side clicker. You could take this part off also for lead refills. And it does have an extendable eraser, but you probably already knew that because in the other video that I just showed with the blue one, and you can see the name Pentel Side Effects 0.5. It's made in Japan. Now I'm gonna show you a writing test and eraser test. So let me just open that up. Now, let me just do a little erasing. I'm writing with a Pentel Side Effects mechanical pencil with black barrel. Now I'm gonna do the eraser test. Now a little erasing. Now if you see, the eraser isn't the best quality though, but it's okay. See how the eraser is affected. Now, I hope you enjoy these kind of mechanical pencils, and I forgot to twist the eraser down. Now I hope you enjoy this video about these mechanical pencils, these special ones that I bought from Walmart. And guys, these are like the pencils that my friend Trey has. So, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.